Welcome to the best pick. The Best Gap Storage Cabinet is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture for any home, especially in areas like the laundry room where space is often at a premium and organization is key to maintaining a clutter-free and efficient environment. This type of cabinet is specifically designed to fit into narrow spaces, transforming often wasted gaps into valuable storage solutions, making it an indispensable item for anyone looking to maximize their home's functionality and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER Slim Rolling Storage Cart 4-Tier. Introducing our 4-tier slim storage cart, designed to fit perfectly into those narrow spaces in your home. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and more. Glided in and out of tight spots with ease thanks to its 4 smooth wheels. 2 of these wheels also feature brakes, ensuring it stays securely in place when you need it to. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. With a simple snap-together design and a clear instruction manual, you'll have it assembled and ready to go in no time. Crafted from durable plastic, this unit is built to last and complements any decor. Its versatile design makes it suitable for various settings, from offices to dorm rooms. Customize your storage by adjusting the shelves to either 2 or 3 tiers. This flexibility makes it perfect for countertops in bathrooms and kitchens, even without the casters. Each shelf can hold up to 20 pounds, providing substantial storage for your daily essentials. Just remember to distribute weight evenly for optimal performance. What we like? This cart is perfect for those tight spaces. It offers flexible storage with its slim 4-tier design and adjustable shelves. If you are looking for a versatile organizer that can fit between your washer and dryer or in narrow kitchen gaps, this is a great choice. What people say? This slim rolling storage cart is exactly what I needed for a narrow space, and it works beautifully. The design is compact but very functional. It fits perfectly between cabinets and walls without feeling cramped, yet still offers plenty of storage across multiple shelves. Assembly was straightforward and quick. Once put together, the cart feels sturdy and stable, especially when heavier items are placed on the bottom shelves as recommended. Each shelf holds a good amount of weight, and the hollow design is practical for airflow and easy cleaning. The wheels roll smoothly, and the locking brakes are a huge plus. Once locked, the cart stays firmly in place and doesn't wobble or tip. Number 4. VASAGLE 5-Tier Slim Rolling Cart ULRC 034B01. Tired of wasted space? This cart is designed to fit perfectly into those tight spots, like between your counter and refrigerator, giving you much-needed extra storage. With 5 spacious tiers, you can organize everything from spices and snacks to larger kitchen essentials. Keep your most used items within easy reach. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame and durable particle board, this unit is built for longevity. You can rely on it for years of service. Need to move it? No problem. The integrated handle and 4 smooth rolling casters make it incredibly easy to transport wherever you need it most. Setting it up is a breeze. With clearly numbered parts and straightforward instructions, you'll have it assembled and ready to use in no time. What we like? This 5-tier cart offers substantial storage in a narrow footprint. Its sturdy metal frame and convenient handle make it easy to move. If you need a durable and spacious organizer for your kitchen or home office that complements a rustic aesthetic, this is the one for you. What people say? This cart was easy to put together, no issues at all. It's sturdy enough as a supply caddy. You can't sit on the thing, or let kids romp on it, but it's stiff in all the right places and the handle is perfectly placed. The black finish does look rather nice, with the faux wood laminate top. Basket depth is well thought out, too. Number 3. VASAGLE 4-Tier Slim Rolling Cart ULRC 032B01V1. Tired of wasted space? This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into those tight spots, like between your counter and fridge, adding valuable storage where you need it most. With 4 spacious tiers, you can organize everything from spices on top to snacks below. It offers plenty of room for all your essentials. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and durable particle board, this cart is built for long-lasting use. You can rely on its strength for years to come. Need to move it? No problem. The convenient handle and 4 360-degree swivel casters make it incredibly easy to roll this cart wherever you need it. Setting it up is a breeze. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you'll have it assembled and ready to use in no time. What we like? This 4-tier cart is designed to fit into the tightest spaces. It features a robust metal frame and a handy handle for easy maneuverability. If you're seeking a compact yet functional storage solution for small kitchens or living areas, this cart is an excellent option. What people say. This cart was easy to put together, no issues at all. It's sturdy enough as a supply caddy, you can't sit on the thing, or let kids romp on it, but it's stiff in all the right places and the handle is perfectly placed. The black finish does look rather nice, with the faux wood laminate top. Basket depth is well thought out, too. Number 2. Spirich Slim Bathroom Storage Cabinet. Tired of a cluttered bathroom? This slim cabinet is designed to fit perfectly into tight spaces, offering a smart storage solution without taking up too much room. Despite its narrow footprint, it boasts a large capacity to organize all your bathroom essentials. Keep everything tidy and within reach. The bottom drawer glides out effortlessly, making it perfect for storing toilet paper rolls and other daily necessities. Easy access is key. The top compartment discreetly hides away medications or other items you need handy but prefer out of sight. Keep your space looking neat. A dedicated small drawer helps sort out those little items that tend to create clutter. Its clean white finish complements any bathroom decor. Crafted from FSC certified wood, this cabinet is made with sustainability in mind, meeting global standards for forest conservation. What we like? This cabinet offers a unique slide-out drawer and a hidden top compartment for discreet storage. It's crafted from eco-friendly, FSC certified wood. If you have a small bathroom and need to maximize storage while keeping items hidden and organized, this cabinet is ideal. What people say. The cabinet is very sturdy and well made, with a nice finish that looks great in my laundry room. It has plenty of storage space, with adjustable shelves that allow me to customize it to my needs. The doors close smoothly and quietly, and the handles are comfortable to grip. Assembly was straightforward, and all the parts were included. It took me about an hour to put it together by myself. Number 1. Rev-A-Shelf HRV 1520 SCR Pullout Hamper. Introducing the Rev-A-Shelf Pullout Laundry Hamper, a smart solution to keep your laundry organized and out of sight. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your home. This hamper is perfect for smaller spaces like bathrooms and laundry rooms. Its pull-out design makes accessing your laundry effortless, saving you valuable floor space. Crafted from durable steel, this hamper is built to last. It features a robust ball-bearing slide system that extends fully and can hold up to 100 pounds. Installation is a breeze as it easily mounts to the cabinet floor. Everything you need, including the chrome wire hamper, liner, and mounting hardware, is included. Since 1984, Rev-A-Shelf has been providing stylish and smart organization solutions for your entire home. Trust us for quality and convenience. What we like? This pull-out hamper is designed for seamless integration into your cabinets. It features full extension slides for easy access and a durable steel construction. If you want to keep your laundry out of sight and maximize space in your bathroom or laundry room vanity, this hidden hamper is a smart solution. What people say. The cabinet is very sturdy and well made. It has a lot of storage space and the shelves are adjustable. The doors close smoothly and quietly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.